Hello dear students, welcome to today's presentation. The topic for today is liqueurs. The word liqueur means flavored, sweetened and often a colored spirit. So in today's presentation, we will see how a liqueur is manufactured, what is the classification of liqueur, what are the parts of liqueur, and how a liqueur can be served. Liqueurs are classified as proprietary liqueurs or generic liqueurs. The proprietary liqueurs are, in most cases, famous specialty liqueurs that are produced under closely guarded secret formulas and marketed under registered trademark brands. These liqueurs are made in each case only by one house. Most have centuries of tradition behind them and have become household names. Examples: Drambuie, Cointreau, Benedictine, DOM. Whereas a generic liqueur can be made by any of the companies. Examples of generic liqueurs are Bols Crème de Menthe, Marie-Brizard Company. What does a liqueur contain? Well, a liqueur has a base, flavor, sweetener and color. Base of a liqueur can be spirits like brandy, rum, whiskey, vodka and gin. Flavors can be extracted from fruits and peels, various herbs, barks, roots, nuts, chocolate, coffee, other ingredients like honey, egg, etc. Sweeteners can be honey and various edible colors can be added to a liqueur. A liqueur is produced either with a hot method or a cold method. So how a liqueur is produced? Well, the most important step for the production of a liqueur is extracting the flavor. The flavors can be extracted either by maceration, infusion, a pressure method, or percolation method. When it is a maceration method, the fruits and peels are mashed or crushed and are directly soaked in cold spirit for a long time. Duration can be 6 to 8 months. When it is an infusion method, the herbs, fruits, are crushed and left in warm spirit for several days. In a pressure extraction method, mechanical pressure is applied to the ingredients so that the oils can be extracted. For example, extracting oil from citrus peels. Percolation method, the spirit is passed through the flavoring agent by heating the spirit in boiled and the vapors are passed up to extract the flavor. After the extraction of flavor, everything is put for distillation. This is usually done in copper pot still. Only the heart of the distillate is used. The next step is compounding. Here, the blending of ingredients happens, like color, sweetening agents are added. Later, the liqueurs are put for maturing. The liqueurs must be allowed to mature for some time so that the ingredients get mixed properly. Some of the finest liqueurs are matured in oak cask, while other can be matured in a steel tank. After which the liqueurs will be refined to remove the sediments, and the last step is bottling, where the alcoholic strength is adjusted, clarity is checked. Some examples of liqueur. The most popular liqueur, orange flavor liqueurs like Ramanier and Cointreau. Blue Curacao, Advocat, Bailey's Irish Cream, how the liqueurs can be served? Well, the liqueurs can be served neat, frappe, pousse cafe style, devil coffee, or liqueur coffee cream. A pousse cafe style of service is where liqueurs are laid. The liqueurs float on each other due to the density. The heavier the density of the liqueur, it will be at the base. When it is a frappe, it means liqueur poured over crushed ice. When it is a devil coffee and liqueur, it's a spiced coffee wherein a shot of liqueur is poured. Some examples of coffee liqueur and chocolate liqueur. Coffee liqueurs like Kahlua, Tia Maria, Shredens. Chocolate liqueurs like Godiva, Sabra, Mozart Black, Creme de Cacao. These are some pictures of liqueur bottles. Some berry liqueur examples and creme liqueurs. Fruit liqueurs like peach schnapps, curacao, banana liqueur. Well, we have planned a quiz for you and the link for which is given in the description box below. Do attempt the quiz.